Hi, and welcome to Cenario, your partner in mental wellness. Here on our channel, we share educational, insightful, and science-backed content to help you understand your mental health and take meaningful steps toward a more balanced life. If you're ready to learn, grow, and take control of your wellness journey, let's jump right in.
Have you ever gone to bed feeling exhausted, only to wake up at 2 or 3 in the morning, and then just lie there staring at the ceiling? You're not alone. A lot of people struggle with waking up during the night and not being able to fall back asleep. And even if you technically spend 7 or 8 hours in bed, broken sleep can leave you feeling tired, irritable, and unfocused the next day. The truth is, staying asleep all night isn't just about getting enough hours. It's about getting consistent, uninterrupted rest so your body and brain can fully recharge. When you sleep deeply and continuously, your brain strengthens memories, your mood becomes more balanced, your body repairs tissues, hormones stay regulated, your immune system gets the support it needs. But when sleep is fragmented, those processes get interrupted. Over time, that can affect your focus, your stress levels, and your overall well-being. So why do we wake up in the middle of the night? For many people, it comes down to 3 main areas: lifestyle, environment, and stress. First, your daily habits matter more than you might think. If you go to bed at different times every night, you can throw off your internal clock. Caffeine in the afternoon, alcohol at night, or heavy meals before bed can also interfere with deeper stages of sleep. Even late-night workouts can make it harder to fully relax. Second, your sleep environment plays a big role. A room that's too warm, too bright, or too noisy can easily wake you up. Ideally, your bedroom should be cool, dark, and quiet. Something as simple as blackout curtains or a white noise machine can make a difference. And then there's stress. If your mind is racing about work or personal responsibilities, your body may be physically tired, but your brain is still alert. Over time, worrying about sleep itself can actually make nighttime awakenings more frequent. But there are research-backed habits that can help. Start with consistency. Try going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. This helps regulate your circadian rhythm. Next, create a short wind-down routine. That could be reading, gentle stretches, or deep breathing. This helps your brain associate these activities with sleep. Regular exercise during the day can also support deeper rest at night. Just try to finish workouts a few hours before bedtime. It also helps to reduce screen time. Phones and TVs emit blue light, which can reduce melatonin. Shutting down screens an hour before bed can help. Your diet matters too. Foods rich in magnesium like almonds or cherries may support relaxation. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals close to bedtime. If stress is your biggest challenge, consider writing down your thoughts or trying progressive muscle relaxation. Small mental resets can calm your nervous system. If you've been trying different strategies but still feel unsure what your body really needs, that's completely normal. Sleep isn't one size fits all. For personalized guidance, I invite you to take the Cenario Sleep Quiz. It's designed to help you understand your unique patterns and receive tailored recommendations. Because better sleep doesn't just change your nights, it changes how you show up every single day.
Thank you for watching Cenario. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For personalized mental wellness supplements, visit cenario.com. See you in the next one.